Hi there. We are here to clear up one big misconception we see all over the internet, Facebook groups, Reddit threads, forums, you name it. Just because your shocks are yellow does not mean they are the same. This is a Toyota OEE shock off of a Tacoma and 4Runner. You can see obviously yellow, obviously a Bilstein shock, but this is not the same as a Bilstein 4600 series. These two shocks get mixed up very frequently, but you can see here side to side that they are not the same bore of shock. What you have here on an OE Toyota shock is a Bilstein twin tube design, very much more similar to their B4 option. So it's a twin tube design. The piston inside this thing is probably closer to 36 or 37 millimeters, whereas in Bilstein's 4600 series is a monotube gas design, internal floating piston, and the piston in this design is 46 millimeters, thus 4600. So these are not the same shock. We just want to clear the air. You're going to see a lot more consistency out of 4600 series because a larger piston means larger surface damping area, which just kind of results in better consistency overall. You're going to basically what you feel as sharper bumps on a smaller shock, it's going to be those hard edges are just going to be rounded out on a thicker piston and thicker bore shock. So I hope that clears things up. We are setting the story straight on the OE Toyota shocks here. They are not the same, and we hope that helped out some of you as you're considering some shock upgrades over factory. Going to a 4600 series is not going to feel the same as your OE Bilstein twin tube shock. So hope that clears things up. If you need help choosing any shock for your own vehicle, that's literally all we do here at Shock Surplus, and we are not here to tell you what to run. We are here to help you figure out what to run on your own ride. Subscribe for more suspension breakdowns, and we will see you in the next one.